what you are. If I could write you a song to make you fall in love, I would already have you up under my arm. I used to follow my tricks, I hope that you like this, but you probably won't. You think you're cool.
Name something that your kids say incorrectly that you secretly don't want to correct because you want them to keep saying it.
Ryder, what is that?
Octopussy.
Oh.
Finn,
What?
who's Mia Khalif?
It's Khalifa.
Who is Mia Khalifa?
I don't know.
I want to know.
Yes, I do.
I don't know who that is.
I do. I really want to know.
You
It might be horrible, but I want to know. I'm going to look it up. So you should just.
No, don't
look it up. Look it up.
look it up, Mom.
Then you need to talk.
Ask him.
I don't know what it is, Mom. I just said it. I don't know what it is.